In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to pause your Shopify store. This simple process is a boon for you if you temporarily want to take a break from your online store without completely shutting it down. A convenient feature offered by Shopify, the Pause and Build plan, offers shop owners a less drastic alternation in times of break. Now, let's start the process of pausing your store. Firstly, you need to unlock access to your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account using your username and password. This action initiates your journey to pause your Shopify store. As soon as you've logged into your account, pay your attention to the left bottom corner of your screen. Here, you will find the Settings option. Click on this option to open the Settings menu. Shopify has placed all store customization tools under this section, including the control to pause your store. In the Settings list, you are looking for an option called Plan. This section manages all the subscription plans of your store. So, go ahead and select this option. On clicking this, you will be redirected to your subscription details. As you have navigated to the Plan section, your eyes should find an option called Deactivate Store. If you are on a paid subscription, it may appear as Cancel Plan. So, click on Deactivate Store or Cancel Plan as per your subscription status. This option will guide you towards the final step to pause your Shopify store. Among various available options in the preceding screen, Pause and Build is the option that is most relevant to our intention. Select this option, which effectively puts your store on a pause or hiatus. Before you proceed further, take some time to review the plan details. This verification is essential as it lets you understand the limitations that may come after pausing your store. You need to know what functionalities will still work and what will not during the pause state. Once you have verified and understood the details of this state, proceed to the next step. To finalize the process, find and click on the Switch to Pause and Build button. By selecting this, you officially confirm your intent to pause the operations of your Shopify store. And voila! You've successfully paused your Shopify store. Remember, you can always reactivate your store when you decide to resume your business. The entire process is reversible, designed to ensure that you maintain flexibility and control over your online storefront.